thing we're going to shoot, there's going to be these rifled slugs, okay, and then we're going to go from there. I'm going to shoot 5 rounds thrown unsupported, okay. We are going to shoot slow fire. All right, here we go. Okay, what you're going to notice right away is that slugs kick a hell of a lot more. Oh, Jesus Christ. Especially 12 gauge, okay? It has been a minute since I shot slugs. Helps if you fully reciprocate the action. Okay. Now guys, shotgun triggers are typically known for being super nice. I'm trying not to jerk this dang trigger. Alright, here we go. Okay, there's our freaking slugs. Okay, flip it on safe. Go ahead and top off with our buckshot here. Three, 4, 5. All right, double up buck. And I believe Nick the Nerd on the right. Oh yeah, that's mild compared to it's way mild compared to the slug. All right, flip it on safe. We are clear. Go ahead and get a shot of this bad Larry. She's already getting hot, guys. Those rifled slugs, they pack a fucking punch. All right, guys, let's go down range. Not leave anything left behind here. Always keep this gun. Now remember, guys, whenever you're completely out of ammo, you can just port load, okay? Flip it on safe, just like that. Guys, before we get down here, post what you think happened, okay? Get down in the comments and let me know what you think happened. What happened there with the slug was what we call short stroking, okay?